I'm Satya Sabella from Atlanta, USA. I have been practicing meditation since 2010, thanks to my wife Sandhya, who brought me into this spiritual path, who provided me a good platform to gain wisdom by participating in the great knowledge sharing sessions with our wonderful speakers and masters. Meditation really gives me immense pleasure, focus, and control that I needed for my work life balance. It is simple yet powerful tool that helps me a lot on a day-to-day basis, including raising our two kids in the right path. It has been great experience so far. I'm so fortunate to have connection with right folks in my life. Thank you all. Okay, friends, without any more delay, let me introduce our next speaker. He needs no introduction. He is known to everyone. I'm extremely honored and privileged to introduce him formally. He is the greatest living legend of meditation. He is none other than Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, lovingly called as Patrisar. Patrisar is a new age spiritual science master who has traveled the length and breadth of this known world to teach meditation. His major work, apart from meditation, is to create compassion towards animal beings and has inspired millions to adopt the vegetarian lifestyle. Patrisar attained enlightenment in the year 1979. He is a multidimensional personality and a charismatic leader of a vast multitude. Patrisar is an example of how a human life can be lived to the fullest with jest and compassion towards one and all. He teaches and guides every single person with the same level of enthusiasm and friendliness as he does to thousands of spiritual seekers and is always accessible to everyone. He identifies the best way that any person can serve society while giving their total freedom to perform and encourages them continuously to do their best. While Sar is acquainting you with the mysteries of meditation and spirituality, he has an endearing, fun loving side too. Apart from being a spiritual master, Patrisar is a fluent orator, a voracious book reader, a friend to everyone from any backdrop, and an impressive author of spiritual wisdom. Patrisar is also an accomplished flute player and an engaging singer, an able administrator, an ardent cricket lover, and a good cook too. He's a man of many deeper dimensions. He will cook and feed you like a mother. He plays with you like a father. And we all know what a great teacher he is. If you combine all the qualities into one, that is Patrisar. My dear friends, please join me in welcoming the epitome of simplicity and embodiment of enlightenment, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. Patrisar, I'm so happy that I got an opportunity to welcome you to this Digital Conscious Parenting Summit.
Thank you, Baba.
Welcome, sir.
Please speak about yourself.
Sure, sir, sure. Sir, I'm from a village called Konkodru in East Godavari district. In fact, you went to my village, sir, to open pyramid. I know you may not remember because it's a small village and you inaugurated many such pyramids. But you definitely know, sir, our nearby village, Golala Maudada, where they built 40 by 40 feet pyramid on an open top floor. I believe it's called Buddha Pyramid House. I've been there a couple of times, but my parents visit very frequently. It is very nice pyramid, sir. Regarding my spiritual journey, sir, it's all because of my wife. She developed this interest when her mom vacated her body in 2006. She used to share her experiences, but I never got connected. When we moved to Atlanta in 2010, she found friendship of great pyramid masters like Anila and Sheetal. After many forceful attempts, finally one day I agreed to try meditation. That's where I met my good friends Shrikant and Chandra, and slowly I started liking the process of meditation and its advantages. But I was still not fully into it until I met you in 2012 July. You changed my life, sir. Like, along with meditation and knowledge sharing sessions, you entertained us by playing chess with us, cooking for us, singing songs, and of course water tubing in Helen was the highlight part. I saw a kid in you, sir. That's when I realized one needs to be enlightened to get entertained. Since then, I have been practicing meditation continuously and enjoying my life as well. Of course, I never missed meeting you with whenever you come to Atlanta. If there is no Corona, I guess we would have met this year too. But well, at least I was happy to meet you virtually. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to share my story, sir. Thank you.
That's very fine. And I remember that trip down the small rivulet.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It was wonderful. And what is the topic today?
Sir, this is digital conscious parenting. So if you can give some message on the conscious parenting first, we will cover the message and then question and answers. We already gathered something from viewers, and then if time permits, we will do some meditation as well.
Okay, Baba. Well, the topic seems to be conscious parenting.
Yes, sir.
But I agree with the first word of the phrase, but not the second word of the phrase. I agree with consciousness, but not with parenting. So nobody is a parent of others. Although our body must have given birth to another body, we are not parents of any other soul.